Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out of my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh.
Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Yuan and I have too much money. No, I can't do this. By the way, this is take 2, so if I have to undo this tie again, I'm going to flip. Oh, I can breathe. As you might have guessed, today we're taking a look at the Apple AirPods Max. I've been using them for all sorts of different things like listening to music, watching movies, even video editing, and I just wanted to share with you some of my experiences with these headphones. The ear cups are made of aluminum on the back, and the headbands themselves are made of a stainless steel rod. It has a good degree of resistance, so it doesn't feel like some cheap plastic headband you get off of any other headphones, which is very nice. Now, if you put these next to your standard plastic over-the-ear headphones, you're gonna feel a dramatic difference in weight. These are heavy boys, these are chunky boys, okay? Why don't these flip in? Now let's talk about the genius design that are the ear cups on these headphones. They come off and they're attached by magnets. The ear cups themselves are made of this like really nice mesh material. It breathes really easily. You can wear them as masks for your ear hole. Have you ever had a pair of headphones before that after you worn it for a couple of years, they just got all greasy and grimy and you wouldn't want to wear them and nobody would want to buy them because they're just gross? This solves that issue. See, my biggest concern with these headphones is... Not now. Making a video. Next up, let's talk about the sound quality on the AirPods Max. The midtones and highs on these headphones are crystal clear. The bass is definitely there and you can feel it. There's a good amount of bass, but they're not overly bassy headphones like some of the Beats headphones I've had. So if you're looking for a clean, balanced sound signature straight out of the box, the AirPods Max will deliver. These headphones also have spatial audio, which means if you're watching a supported format such as a movie on your phone in front of you like this, and you turn your head, the audio sound will still come from your source, like as if you were listening to, you know, a pair of speakers. It literally sounds like you're in the theater, because if you turn your head this way, your sound is still coming from like where the sound design is in the movie. I can listen at a new height. The only issue with this feature is that it's pretty limited. If the movie's not supported, if you're on Netflix or Hulu, a streaming service that doesn't support it, it's not gonna work. So I would not get it just for the feature alone. Functionality-wise, the AirPods Max are pretty much like your standard set of AirPods. So as soon as you take them out of the case, they're put in standby mode. Of course, you have all the cool iOS features like ear detection, device detection, hands-free Siri, and audio sharing with other AirPods. Now on top of the right ear cup, you have a digital crown ported over from the Apple Watch that allows you to adjust volume as well as control your media. It also has a switch for noise canceling and transparency mode, which you can also set on your phone. This basically means that when you turn on transparency mode, it activates all of the microphones built into the ear cups. I believe there's 9 different microphones. So not only is it great for calling, you can also hear your environment as if you were not wearing these at all, which is incredible. There's so many holes on the bottom. And the noise canceling is as equally impressive as the transparency mode. You know, sometimes when you wear noise canceling headphones and you turn on the noise canceling, it kind of does this thing where it seals the environment. So like, the best way to describe it is like cabin pressure when you're on an airplane. I am happy to report that these headphones seem to have the same tech Apple put in the AirPods Pro, that when you turn on the noise canceling, it somehow lets the air still flow while still canceling out the sound. So when you're wearing these, your ears don't get pressurized, which I personally think is a very underrated feature. Editing Yuan here. Apparently the seal on the AirPods Max don't let in enough air because some users are reporting condensation building up inside of the ear cups. This is probably caused by the fact that aluminum plus body heat minus airflow equals condensation. So do keep this in mind. If you listen close, you can hear other people's thoughts. I've also tried video editing with these headphones on, which was a terrible idea, primarily because there is a small, almost imperceptible lag in the audio. Now for media consumption and music, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't make a difference. But for video editing, if you're trying to time a sequence or match audio, these are just not that preferable for that purpose, which usually Bluetooth headphones can double as editing headphones in a pinch. If you have a normal pair of 3.5mm headphone cables, well, number one, you can't do it on these headphones out of the box because they don't have a headphone jack. But then you think, oh, wait a minute, I have a dongle. Allow me to plug the dongle and then plug the dongle into the headphones using the lightning port. You're like, I solved the problem, but nope. You can't actually do this. You have to buy Apple's dedicated lightning to 3.5mm aux cable, which is another $30. Unfortunately, we gotta talk about this smart case. So in case you didn't know, the headphones will stay on in standby mode for quite a long time, and they don't completely power off until you put them back in the case. So if you take off your Jeez, these are some loud knockers. So if you take off your headphones and put them down somewhere and forget to put them back in the case, those just sit there and drain battery. And can we also talk about why the lightning port is not aligned with the little charging divot? How are you supposed to charge it if it's not aligned with the... Stop it. Generally, when I promote a product on this channel, I promote it because I believe in it and it's a good value and it serves a very specific purpose for that price. And I don't believe these headphones do that. You're paying around 600 bucks for this style, for the Apple brand. Even though they are really high quality, the differences in audio quality are quite marginal. It really comes down to the listening experience. And if you compare these to other headphones, it's pretty good. For Bluetooth headphones, they're really good. Are they $550 good though? They're $550 headphones without a headphone jack and without the necessary cable and without the necessary wall break. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the AirPods Max? Is it an absolute piece of junk? Or does it have some merits, just overpriced? Let me know down below. And no. What? Alright, that's more like it. Compare them against each other. So if you want to see where your device is along this hierarchy of processors, then this is going to get real interesting real quick. Because, hey, is this 2020?
I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close